without any. This should be amazing, especially if I'm able to open it. Hi guys, how are you? Thank you so much for joining me today. Look what just arrived to my mail. This is the Love Lula January beauty box. But before we are starting, I want to give you a quick update about the December Love Lula box. And actually I don't have so many updates to give you because the only product that I've used and I really love is this Sultry hand and foot cream. This cream, it is amazing. It almost replaced my other favorite humble cream that I also got from the Love Lula. So this is amazing. This is thick. Maybe I can show you a bit. I don't remember if I showed you last time. This is thick and it's so hydrating. You cannot believe how wonderful it is to apply this on your hands, on your feet. It's not greasy, but it's really moisture, nourishing, it's the actual term. So I prefer to use this during winter when I need more nourishment to my hands, and I will save my humble cream for the summer months. So other products, I had no chance to open them. So we had this nighttime cream by NOOMI that I did not open it. I have another cream that I'm working through right now. And what else we got? We got those couple washes for travel that I did not open. Of course, I keep them for travel. And we had this sample from Kiss the Moon. Those are 2 sachets of the foot cream. I actually wanted to try one of these, but I misplaced them and I forgot about them. I just discovered them like yesterday or so. So anyway, I did not believe that my box will come today. Even though I applied my makeup in the morning, I was just playing with this eyeshadow palette by Ciate that my friend Elena, she generously sent it to me a while ago. So if you are wondering what is on my eyes, this is the answer. And I was surprised that I got my box. Actually, it is a bit late. It's usually shipping after between 5 and 10th of the month, and on Czech Republic arrives around 15th of the month. If I didn't give you any information about the Love Lula beauty box, this is a UK based beauty subscription. It's a natural, cruelty-free box. You get 4 to 5 products each month. They are mostly in the full size or travel size, deluxe travel size. Sometimes we are being given some samples. For UK, you have the option to subscribe monthly and you pay £14.95 free shipping. But if you subscribe for 3, 6 and 12 months, you can have less price per month, per box. Also, they offer the option to get 1 box that is not subscription, just to try it. And if I will remember, this is £19.95 for UK and £25.95 British pounds for international. However, if you are international, you cannot subscribe on monthly reoccurrence. You can only prepay your 3, 6 and 12 months. So this is my 3rd month from the 3rd recurrence. So this is the 3rd prepaid 3-month subscription, and I'm thinking that I might pause it because I have so much skincare. As you can tell, I'm not able to use the products from one month to another. I have a huge backlog of skincare, so I need to use up my products. Also, I have some exciting news that I'm gonna get more US boxes. One other thing that I always forgot to tell you on my unboxing is that the box that I'm showing you now in this month, you will not be able to get it if you subscribe now. You will not get the January box, so it's like 1 month prepaid all the time. So that's why they are all the time give you a 20% discount of the brands that they are showing in the box. In case that you love something, you can go and purchase it right away from their website, which is a really lovely website. They also do offer free international shipping over £15. And this is how the box arrived to me. I'm going to open it to show you how it is inside. So we have a leaflet that usually gives you the total value of the product inside and also the products and some small description. However, you don't have the prices for the products inside. So the total value of your January box is £35. Ooh, I think this is the lowest value that we ever had in Love Lula. Usually it was around £50 or over, so I'm quite surprised. But let's see the products inside, because this is what it matters to me. The first product that I'm picking up. Oh, this is really nice. This is Hurry, and it seems to be a lip balm. I don't have the ring light open, so no reflection on the product. So this is the Hurry lip balm. The shades My Vary are made from premium, all-natural, vegan, raw, organic and fair trade ingredients. Grapefruit, ginger, eucalyptus. Okay, this should be amazing, especially if I'm able to open it. Wow, smells really nice. Actually, I have another lip balm that I got from Love Lula that I keep it on my purse from another brand. Of course, why I'm showing it to you, because you will not be able to see. But this is really interesting packaging. I have never seen a lip balm to be like in a deodorant type of tube. So yeah, really interesting, and I will keep it open because I need to keep a lip balm in all the places on my house. I need all the time to moisturize my lips, especially during winter. Okay, the next product is by NOOMI, and this Hibiscus and Turmeric shampoo. I think we had this shampoo before from NOOMI, the same Hibiscus and Turmeric. I remember that I like it, but I think that we don't have the volumizing and restoring shine. Ah, okay, so they are also duo. We got the shampoo and conditioner, and I'm actually really chuffed about that because I did not have the conditioner before, so I want to try it. Your hair will gain a new lease of life with the powerful blend of ingredients in the NOOMI Hibiscus and Turmeric shampoo and conditioner. This is the second product. Okay, the third product seems to be the biggest. Oh, I wanted to try something from this brand, Natura Siberica. I have seen this brand actually in our local drugstore, and yeah, another hand cream doesn't mind me during this time, because if you haven't noticed, I think I have used more than half of this hand cream, so I'm going through hand creams like crazy. And anyway, I have too many face creams, so I don't mind if I don't get a face cream. So yeah, this seems to be a full size, probably how much? 75 mils. And this is the actual texture of the cream. Oh, I love it. I really love the scent. And even though it's a bit more liquidy, it's really nourishing. So, love it. Born in Siberia, made in Europe. Really neat. The next product is from the brand Moi Verte. I think I remember, yeah, we had a natural deodorant from this brand, and this is the liquid soap by Moi Verte, and it's lemongrass. I love the scent. It's divine. It really smells divine. Love it. And I suppose this is a full size, 250 mils. It seems to be full size. So what they are saying: the Moi Verte lemongrass liquid soap. Be the first to try the latest product from Moi Verte, a multi-purpose soap that's great for your hands and all round for your household. And the last product is by Balm Lavender Face Balm. Super gentle. This lavender infused face balm has been carefully created with a combination of oils, including avocado oil, to calm, balance and boost all skin types. It's interesting that we are being given a balm for the face. I'll probably not use it for the face just because I don't think so that we should put lavender oil on our face, even though I'm not so sensitive. Directions: take a small amount onto your finger tips and rub between fingers to create a light oily texture. Apply to face and gently massage into skin to moisturize and condition. May also be used on dry areas such as neck, décolletage, elbows and heels. Okay, I think I probably use it on any other places of my body but the face. This seems to be a full size, I'm not sure, I will check if it is so. And I think we have something else, or maybe, oh yeah, I was not sure, so we are being given another sample. This is by Madara, a chance to sample Madara's Hydrofilm Hyaluron Concentrate Jelly. So what they are saying: intensely hydrates and firms, recharging your skin with lasting freshness and glow. Oil-free, great for him and her. And yeah, this is everything we've got on the Love Lula beauty box for the month of January. So we got a lemongrass liquid soap by Moi Verte. We got a duo shampoo and conditioner by NOOMI with turmeric and hibiscus. A face balm by the Balm brand. A lip balm and a hand cream. And we also got a sample. So even though the value is not that big, the actual products they put inside are really neat, useful, and I'm excited to try. This is everything for today. Now it's your turn to let me know what you think about this box, and also if you have tried some of those products and you have some feedback about them, please leave everything down below on the comment section. I would love to initiate a conversation with you down there. And other than that, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content, and don't forget that more boxes are going to arrive on my channel. So if you are excited about that, don't forget to subscribe, and also you can hit the notification bell, like this video, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next one. Okay.